Alright guys, we are at Import Evolution today. Hold on, technical. There we go. Wait, hold on. And there, we got Wildberry Mass right now. We are at Import Evolution in Kissimmee. This is my first car show in the year finally. Meanwhile, we're already having a lot of fun. I have my own booth here. I came across this 1JC non-VVTi powered S13, and when I looked closer, it's sitting on BC Forge wheels. Really clean car. Well, this car sure stands out. The wheels seem out of the ordinary. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be functional to cool the brakes, or maybe they make some sort of noise when it's running. But the car definitely has a lot of aero in it. Between the wheels and the front splitters, it's definitely one to catch the eye. I'm pretty sure this car is also owned by the same person. It's a really full aerodynamic Camry, not something you see every day. Very functional and aggressive. Here's another car that caught my eye. It's a Spoon Sports Civic. I'm not sure if it's a real Spoon or just a livery, but it looks very clean. The event had a lot of people show up. Turned out to be a very fun day. I spotted it at FDRX7 with the Veilside wide body kit. Very clean car. Surprised this car didn't get any awards. Here we have the cars that Lexus brought. Mr. Gary, he has a Mini Cooper, the Honda little tiny microvan, and the Honda Acti little pickup truck. And then he has something in his hand. What was that?
First place Mini.
Oh,
BMW.
Nice. What do you got there?
What's that?
What is that?
Let's see what we got. We got first place Honda Other.
And then the other one?
First place BMW Mini Cooper.
So which one won? Honda Other, that one or this one?
That one got Honda
That
Other.
one got Honda Other.
That got best one.
Let's see, what do you get?
Hi.
What do you win?
Nothing today. Nothing.
You didn't win the Honda Other one?
Yeah, you won that one.
Oh yeah.
And AJ won that one.
Yeah, this
Yes.
one.
I didn't win anything. But that's okay. Because we had fun.
Good, he built the car, so Lexi drove it.
Yeah, she drove it, he drove it. I drove this junker.
Well, they're doing everything over there. We're already packing up because I want to get out of here. So I got my box of t-shirts. We have everything inside the trucks again. And we're going to head on out of here. Because Mr. Big Goose can get a little hungry, so we got to get some food. Well, let's get out of here. Then we gotta also go get some cafecito, right?
I gave you your bag. You got your bag.
He got me a little bag of cafecito. So you're telling me this is the best cafecito in town? So this is better than what I have at the shop, right?
Huh?
Yes, we're gonna have to try this.